What's up, everyone? This is Manny. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now, it will get used again. This weekend or next weekend, exactly, because I'm pretty sure the thing will get used again at some point. This is a 2022 model, but it was released October 10th, 2022, which I think is actually looks pretty much what I expected. This thing's like, I hope at some point this thing will get used this weekend or next weekend. I don't know exactly, but I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used again at some point this year, because I do like to say, it did get used since last weekend. It hasn't been used ever since, you can see, but because we don't really use this thing this often, exactly, because you can see it's definitely looking you can see this thing is covered in well, it's like oil, you can see, but it's like you know how to this thing because it will get used again, either this weekend or next weekend. Exactly, I don't know exactly, but I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because another thing, as you can see, this is a pretty nice looking chainsaw, in my opinion, because you can see how much expected this thing is like, because I do like this thing a lot, because you can see it's you have to push this down to get it to safety to work this way, because it won't do anything until you push this down, which it's honestly, it looks the same thing as FSA 56, which you have to push the safety down and then push this down, and you can see, because obviously, because it's what it is exactly on this machine, but it's definitely how it's been expecting on this machine exactly, because I do like this thing a lot, because it definitely looks pretty nice, you can see, because I do kind of like this thing a lot, because you can see how much it's better this thing exactly. So I hope at some point this thing will get used another weekend, this weekend or next weekend exactly, because well, if I was the one wasting almost like anything time a little bit, because it will get used again, this weekend or next weekend. I don't know exactly, but I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used again this year, because this is a very nice looking chainsaw.